Welcome to this Thrive Quiz Builder tutorial. In this one I want to show you what editing the design of a quiz means and how you can do that. It is important to remember that for the moment this option is only available for the minimalist quiz style. So if we take a look at my quiz right here, we can see that the quiz style selected is the light blue one. And as I said, only the minimalist quiz style will let you edit its design, so we're gonna have to change the quiz style. I advise you to take a look at the article and video we have created about choosing the quiz styles in Thrive Quiz Builder in case you need more information about how you can choose and customize quiz styles. So as I said, we will change this one and use the minimalist quiz style. So I'm going to click on this change option, which will open the pop-up with the available quiz styles. This is the one that can be edited design-wise, and I'm going to click on it and click on choose style. When you change the style of a quiz, all of the modifications will be reflected in all of these pages, so you don't have to worry about going back to each page and customizing it to match the current style. But of course, it is always useful if you do go and check if everything looks fine once you've changed the style of the entire quiz. So now, as you can see, once we've opted for this style, we do have the change or the edit design option here, which again is only available for this quiz style in particular. So I'm going to click on edit design, and this will of course open our Thrive editor. This will open some demo content that you can use in order to preview what your quiz style will look like. Right away, you will be able to change the colors of the quiz. So as you can see, upon hovering, we do have this blue color, which we can change from here like so, and click on apply, and the colors will be applied. And this color will be reflected on all of the items that had the blue color before. And as general options, you also have the layout and position option, which will allow you to set a different position for this element or align it as you see here, and so on. We do have a background style option that will allow you to choose a background for this pop-up, so basically create your own quiz style. And then you have the borders and corners option, which will of course let you add borders and such. And then you have the shadows option, which will allow you to add a shadow to your quiz. And once you've used all of these options to customize the quiz pop-up as you wish, you will see that you can also go ahead and select various elements inside the actual quiz, for which you are able to use the options of the left sidebar to further customize it. So for example, if we take this icon that will let the users go to the next question, we'll see that in the left sidebar, we can use these options to customize it. So we can even rotate the icon, we can change its size, color, and we can of course change the icon itself or its style. Moreover, for the icon, we will be able to modify its hover state, so what the icon looks like when someone hovers over it. So if you want to make it more highlighted like so, you can use a darker color, for example. So then when someone hovers their mouse over it, it changes the color. And as I said, you can do the same for each of these elements. So in case you would want the question description to be larger, you can do that by using this slider. And as I said, this is some demo content, and this will apply to all of your questions. I'm gonna go ahead and save everything. And when we do take the quiz, we're gonna see that the quiz style will look just as we've modified it. What you should know is that the modifications that you make in that editor will not be reflected on the splash page and on the results page. So if I reload this page, you'll see that the splash page will look like this. And this is because for the splash page as well as for the results page, and of course the opting gate in case you've added one, so you can see here, you will have to go in and edit them separately in case you want to match the colors or the background, for example, with the rest of the quiz style that you've just set up. And of course, to edit the splash page, the opting gate, or the results page aspect, all you have to do is click on Manage and access each of these pages by clicking on Edit Design, which will again open the Thrive editor. And for example, if you would want to change the background, you can simply delete the default image and add in your own, just in case you would want to have it match the rest of the quiz style. and I'm going to reload the page with the quiz so that you can see that the splash page has also been modified. So customizing each of those pages individually as well as the quiz style will let you create a custom design for your quiz. I really hope this tutorial was useful, and make sure to check out our knowledge base and our YouTube channel for more tutorials and information about Thrive products.